everybody. Today we're going to be doing the guided practice for our last topic on quadrilaterals. This is our last lesson for it. And today they're going to kind of give you a word problem, and then you have to guess which quadrilateral they drew based on the attributes that they give you. So for our first one, we have Jackie, which you guys know is my sister's name. Jackie drew a quadrilateral, and I know that because it has four sides. Any shape that has four sides is a quadrilateral. Then her quadrilateral has four right angles. We know right angles are those perfect square angles because you could make a perfect square inside. Now, if she has four, we know it's going to look something like this, where all four sides, okay? So right now in my head, I'm thinking, okay, this could be a rectangle or maybe even a square. This last one's going to tell us that. Not the same length. So not all sides are the same length. That automatically tells me it cannot be a square. So we know it's not a square. Now, a shape that looks like this, where one side is longer than the other, we know that's called a rectangle. So we are pretty sure that her shape is a rectangle. So for your next problem, it's going to ask you to think about different parts of and different attributes of quadrilateral. So let's see what the independent practice. So on the independent practice, Ethan, he made a shape with the opposite sides are the same length. So this one, it could be a couple different things. So we know for sure that it can also be a rectangle. Opposite sides are the same length. I know that it could also maybe be a rhombus, where the opposite sides are the same length. So it could be either of those two shapes. Rhombus has those slanted sides, so not right angles. Rectangle's different because it has those right angles, okay? If you have any questions today, please let me know. On Monday, we are going to be having a review over quadrilaterals, and then after that, one more day of review, and then we will be testing on Wednesday over quadrilaterals. All right, let me know if you have any questions.